back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making an Oreo cake in the oven, 5 minutes with biscuits. So here I got some Oreo biscuits that I opened. Take 3 cookies, put them in your oven safe bowl. Put them right now, right here. Take one more. Okay. Now you get some milk. Hold on 1 second. So I got some milk. I don't think you guys can see, but there's milk in there. I'm going into this bowl with take a spoon. Now just pour it all in there. I'll make 1.5 cup of milk. I took this glass. So now you're going to shove them up. I'm going to break them into little pieces. Just break them in half. This is going to guarantee maybe some ice cream. Mush it up. Very easy recipe. Just mush it up. Okay. But I'm going to put this coming. I'm going to push a video on it. It's my new house. Not 15 yet, but just for my birthday. Because I have some friends. Show you the names and all that stuff. So after I just crushed them like this, it became like this. Become like that. After it becomes like that, just get it mushy as you can. Don't get this liquidy, a little bit more tough. So I'm adding one more cookie. Score. Let's see, I'm just crushing the cookie. Okay, after I crush my cookie, I'm going to show you brush it real hard. Okay, after it's like this, a little more pasty, a little bit more thick, then just scoop it all around, and you just put it in the oven for 2 minutes. I'm going to be back. So, put it in the oven as you can see. Right here. I put it for 3 minutes, so let's wait for it. Watch. I actually put it in for 2 seconds, I forgot. So yeah, I'm going to put this up. And then see it later. Let me just show you. Slowly going. Got to wait for your Oreo cake. Take a fork, wash it perfectly fine. Now I'm going to take my fork ready and wash it. Okay, I washed my fork up. Now, wait for the cake to roll. 4 seconds. It's done. Got my cake. Looks really nice. I'm just try a piece. I know, but let's try a piece. Let's try a piece. It's fully cooked. Smoking there. But let's get a cute piece. First, make this cake taste amazing. You should try it. I'm just kidding. We'll try it right now. So figure out how good it is. It's good. It's good. Nice.